Today I'm going to show you how to do this sultry makeup look that's perfect for date night, and it's only going to take you 10 minutes, I swear. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Decay. I'm an esthetician. I'm also a national on-air beauty expert. You may have seen me on your local morning news or on QVC. Now let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. I know it's teeny tiny. This was a sample. And they gave me a bunch of samples actually because I bought some makeup. It's really good and it really does keep your makeup all night long. It's really hydrating and it's not a silicone feeling kind of primer. Honestly, like I don't really know what's in it, but I think I should maybe look it up. But it almost feels like a moisturizer. It feels really good. Then of course I'm gonna prep my lids with the NYX Eyeshadow Base. You know how much I love this. This is just such a wonderful way to like prep those lids for shadow because it's gonna help the shadow stick, but also it's gonna make the color of your shadow pop. And it also gets rid of like little veins and any kind of redness. Let's do the other eye. Now I feel like my eyes look like complete crap lately. I've just been looking at screens forever. So this is one of my favorites. It's Becca Cosmetics, which I know is not around anymore, but Smashbox actually bought this formula. It is the under eye brightening corrector. It is my go-to for special occasions, and I consider a date night a special occasion. So I'm putting it on. And I'm just gonna boop, boop. I actually rubbed it like this first because it's so thick. I actually probably put a little too much, and whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna get close. And this goes underneath your concealer to help brighten your under eye. So if you have dark circles, or you just look tired AF like I do, this is for you. I have a question. So when it comes to date night for you, who's the person that like initiates it? Like I know like everybody's situation is different. Like I've been married 11 years, so we do a lot of date nights, and I've met people my age who are married who are like, we haven't been on a date in 2 years. And I'm like, we go like twice a month or more. So I'm the one who kind of like plans it because I'm just the planner, but like he always wants to go out. So I don't know, let me know in the comments. Because it's a date night, I'm gonna go with my fancy foundation, the Giorgio Luminous Silk. This is the mini bottle, by the way. It's a good way to try it out and not spend a ton of money. I'm gonna apply it to my hands like this, and then I'm just gonna push it in with my hands. And look, it's like second skin. I told you in the other video I did about the Wet n Wild photo focus. This is very similar, and that one's like $5. For concealer, I'm gonna use a pinkish colored concealer because I'm gonna be using a pinkish colored powder later. So I wanna do this like pinky, smoky, sultry look on my face. This is the Age Rewind eraser, and it has that little, if you haven't tried it, has that fun little tip. And I have this in a bunch of different colors, but I like this little pink color. It's really pretty. Do a little lift. Went a little overboard, but my skin's looking, okay, so I'm nice and concealed. I got my foundation, and I want to put a little bit of this Hollywood Flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury just here on the high points. I'll put a little bit here, right here, and here, and I'm gonna blend that in just a minute. Again, I'm just using my fingertip for this. It's really easy to just blend, and it gives you that highlight. And when you're gonna turn your face, let's say you have a little candlelit dinner, you're gonna look so pretty and glowy. Now I'm gonna do a sultry eye look that's really simple, and anybody can do it. Watch. All right, I'm going in with this beautiful shade. It's called Supernova. This is the e.l.f. Metallic Shadow. As you can see, it's a creamy shadow, super easy to blend. Taking a nice little fluffy brush and just going on the outer corner of my eye. And I just continue blending it in until I feel like it's really just buffed out. Now I'm going in with this really pretty, it's kind of like a champagne color. It's called Moon, and it's also an elf metallic shadow. And I'm putting that more on the inside bottom lash line, and then just kind of buffing it and blending it out. Going in with a third liquid shadow, and this is from House Labs, Lady Gaga's brand. This is the Glam Attack liquid shadow, and I'm only going, as you can see, on the very inner corner of my eyes. I can't go anywhere. I'm doing makeup in 90 degrees. It's really fun for YouTube. I have to sweat. It's like so gross. I can't because of the noise. So unfortunately, my husband interrupted me. I put some black gel liner on the lower lash line, just on the outside, and now I'm smudging it out to give a nice little smoky look. Just gonna buff it out, get a nice clean brush, and then use your finger and some concealer to make the look come together. Obsessed with this eyebrow pencil. It's from Maybelline. It's the Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil. I don't know what it is, but it's magic and nobody's talking about it. I especially love the teeny tiny spoolie at the end. I'm keeping this look simple, so we're not going to do falsies. However, we are going to use a lash primer because that is going to give the illusion of false lashes and cut your getting ready time down by tons and tons of minutes, especially if you're someone that struggles with applying falsies. And guess what? I'm one of those people. You're not alone. It is not easy. And they've come a long way. That's a good thing. Now to give my face some depth and some beautiful glow, I'm going in with a bronzer just on the cheekbones and along the jawline. And now we're gonna do a pink blush. This one's from MAC. I absolutely love this. And remember, I'm linking all products that I'm using up in the description box, so no need to worry. You gotta have some highlight for date night. I absolutely adore Essence products, and this nude highlighter is so pretty, and it's like $5 or something, so it's definitely a must-have in my makeup drawer. House Labs liner and gloss for a peachy brownie beautiful look. And finishing it off with Iconic London's glowy setting spray. And here is the final look. It's glowy, it's bronzy, it's a little smoky. It's just perfect. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this look out. If you have any of these products, I wanna know what your thoughts are on them. I'm really, really loving the House Laboratories from Lady Gaga. Very impressed. I bought a bunch of stuff for Amazon Prime Day and I'm loving it. So let me know in the comments if you have any or if you're gonna try it. See you next time.